So today's look is going to be a smoky eye fall look with a pumpkin jack-o'-lantern cut crease. I said that really weird. Jack-o'-lantern. But as I'm sitting here, I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows first and then come back. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Be back. Brr, it's cold. Okay. So starting out, I'm gonna use my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, the Smoky and Highlight Palette. These are what the shades look like in this palette. I am going to start off with shade right here. Then I'm going to blend that shade out with this color right here. Then I'm going to go in with what is almost like the same shade, but it's got shimmer to it. I mean, it looks a little different, but I think just the shimmery in it, because for the most part it looks like the same color. Then I'm going to blend it out with the same shade as the beginning, mixed with the shimmery shade. And that's just something you got to do sometimes with blending, because sometimes when you blend it out, it kind of takes the intensity away from the color. So you just have to keep packing on the color and keep blending it out until it's the right pigmentation that you want with the blending you want. So the next shade I'm going to use is this one right here, and I'm just going to go a little bit lower with this one. And then just blend those together. Next I'm going to go in with the very dark shade down here. And then I'm just going to go over the dark a little bit with this shimmery dark shade. And I'm just going to clean up under the eye with that baby white. Okay, I'm going to go finish the rest of my face, and then we will come back for the finishing touches. Okay, so while I'm letting myself bake at 360 degrees for 10 minutes, I'm going to do my under eye. Probably just gonna do this shade and then that shade. Let's do the dark first and then just smoke that out. I feel like one of those, like when they say they're outside memes or whatever, like when you're getting ready and they say they're outside. Now I'm gonna use my butter bronzer with my NYX, what brush is this? I think it's 06. It's either 06 or 09. I think it's 6 though. For blush, I'm going to use my NARS Orgasm. Okay, so before like I do highlight and lips, finish my eyes or anything, I want to do the concealer and do the cutout pumpkin look. Remember who I originally saw this from. I saw somebody do a look like this on Instagram, and I tried finding it because I thought I had saved it and I didn't. So if I figure out who it is, or if you guys know and want to put it in the comments below, that would be a big help. I mean, it's not going to be exactly like theirs because right now I don't even know how I'm going to make this look. But the concept, the overall idea, what somebody else's. I'm going to go in with my ColourPop singles, and I'm going to, what do I want to do, yellow and then red? So I'm going to start off with yellow, which I believe this shade is called Tiki. I'm going to start off with Tiki. And then next I'm going to go in with Best Coast Scenario. And then in the very center of all of those, I'm going to go in with this darkest shade called Oh Ship. Doing two different faces would be cool, but I think I'm gonna make this one look like it has the teeth just because, I don't know, I'm not really feeling the two different looks. I think I'm just gonna skip doing lashes because I feel like it'll just take away from the mouth. So I'm just gonna do mascara, the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. For eyeliner, I just use Wet n Wild Mega Last in Blackest Black. For highlight, I'm going to use my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Flexitarian. And then for lips, I'm trying another Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss from NYX. I haven't tried this one yet, but this shade is called, I think, Baby Doll? Yeah, Baby Doll. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys, it is the water. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think this is super cute. I really like the pumpkin-y jack-o'-lantern cutout, it's not a cut crease, but a cut out makeup look. So yeah, I had a lot of fun making this. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Click subscribe if you haven't already, because you know the drill. If you've been here for a while, it's free. It lets me know I'm doing a good job, so why not just do it? Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks again. Bye!